Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to change WhatsApp number without losing data. Changing your WhatsApp number without losing data involves a few steps to ensure a smooth transition. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to change your WhatsApp number without losing data. Before changing your number, it's crucial to create a backup of your WhatsApp data. This ensures that you can restore your chats and media on your new number. To do this, open the WhatsApp. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to go to Setting and tap on Setting. Scroll down, tap on Chats. In Chats, scroll down and select Chat Backup. After that, tap on Backup to create a backup of your chats and media to your Google Drive or iCloud account. After creating backup, follow these steps to change your WhatsApp number. Open the WhatsApp. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Setting. In Setting, tap on Account. In Account page, you can see here Change Number. Tap on it and tap on Next. Enter your old phone number in the first field and your new phone number in the second field and tap on Next. WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new number. Enter this code when promoted. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.